the songs of yours and mine. Back in ancient times, the bard would tell us stories of the heroes, of the villains, of the chieftain in the glen. To Elizabethan times, Cromwell in war so gory, for the pipers to the sword, kill the harpers and the bards. Let the people sing the stories and the songs and the music of their native land. Their lullabies and battle cries and songs of hope and joy. Join us hand in hand. All across this ancient land, throughout the test of time, it was music that kept the spirits free. Those songs of yours and mine. Ireland and the song, your music lives forever, in its mountain, in its valley, in its hill and in its glen. The music that survived through famine and oppression, to the generations gone, we'll sing for you this song. Let the people sing the stories and the songs and the music of their native land. Their lullabies and battle cries and songs of hope and joy. Join us hand in hand. All across this ancient land, throughout the test of time, it was music that kept the spirits free. The song